Are you overwhelmed by managing multiple marketing tools just to keep your home business running? Many affiliate marketers and home business owners find themselves paying for separate autoresponders, page builders, tracking software, and creative tools. Not only does this drain your wallet, but it also eats up your valuable time and energy. Imagine having to log into different platforms, remember countless passwords, and constantly switch between services just to launch a single campaign. It's no wonder so many entrepreneurs feel frustrated and burnt out. But what if you could simplify everything and focus on what really matters, growing your business? Let's explore a smarter solution that puts everything you need under one roof. Enter BuildABizOnline 2025, the all-in-one platform designed specifically for affiliate marketers, list builders, and home business owners. Instead of juggling 10 different services, BuildABizOnline brings you over 30 integrated marketing tools in one easy-to-use dashboard. You'll find a professional splash and capture page builder, automated email follow-ups, and robust link and ad tracking. Plus, the built-in AI helpers can write your emails, headlines, and banners, saving you hours every week. For less than 47 cents a day, you get everything you need to grow your business efficiently and affordably. This platform is about working smarter, not harder, so you can finally focus on building a sustainable online income. What really sets apart is the success of its members. Users rave about how the platform saves them hours every week by streamlining their workflow. No more piecing together different services or worrying about missing out on leads. With step-by-step training from real marketers, even beginners can quickly get up to speed and start seeing results. Members love how polished their promotions look and how easy it is to track what's working. Most importantly, BuildABizOnline helps users finally build a sustainable online income without breaking the bank. If you're ready to grow your business with automation, AI, and all-in-one marketing tools, BuildABizOnline is your next step.